Welcome back, guys. This episode is gonna be it's gonna be so special. It's another feature video. You guys really enjoy these, and I promised them at least once a month if I could. And if you watch the very end clip of the last episode we did, which was a Wash Wednesday, the 5-tip thing, link up here somewhere if you haven't seen it. Check it out, it's pretty cool. It's gonna be a Pandem M3, also known as a Rocket Bunny, so if you guys are into that, or it's something you want to check out, just stay tuned, because this one is gonna be, it's gonna be so sick. So yeah, let's just crack straight onto it.
Here we go. Defending my title, survival, defeat challengers. Check out how I made it from scratch, just call me crossfader. Wrote it down on paper, now haters can catch the gas vapor. Crossing state and federal flavor, we keep it several. Plenty steps ahead of you, looking down with a better view. Biographer interview, never stereotypical. The original visionary with a military mindset. Could be held back by penitentiary. Now wipe the sleep right out your eyes if your vision's blurry. We mainly ravage those savages who fly by night with Alibaba notorious. You can call me Papa, the showstopper, hold it down like a shot blocker. This is how it pop off. I got your arms and legs moving like a pop locker. Top shot of the man, top dollars and prosper. Never ever turn back when you see the cops follow. Remember what's here today, this is how it pop off. Snipers hiding in the bushes, scarier than ISIS. Deadly cipher between the rat and the Pied Piper. Not a cap, but my reactions give me 9 lives already on my 7th one. This is how it pop off. So all my riders get up and do the gaze is cut. You a down chick with a big butt, now mix it up like mutts. Getting dirty in the desert, kid, and never lose my touch. When the pressure's on steel, guaranteed match. Listen to my true story, let me tell it, homie. This is how it pop off around my territory. Better show love, show nothing, better back up off me. This is how it go down around my town. Listen to my true story now. Defending my title, survival, defeat challengers. Check out how I made it from scratch, just call me crossfader. Wrote it down on paper, now haters can catch the gas vapor. Crossing state and federal flavor, we keep it several. Plenty steps ahead of you, looking down with a better view. Biographer interview, never stereotypical. The original visionary with a military mindset. Could be held back by penitentiary. Now wipe the sleep right out your eyes if your vision's blurry. We mainly ravage those savages who fly by night with Alibaba notorious. You can call me Papa, the showstopper, hold it down like a shot blocker. So all my riders get up. You a down chick with a big butt, now mix it up like.
You wanna see a vape trick? Okay, so thank you so much again for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I hopefully didn't butcher the footage too much. I listened to a lot of the comments on the previous feature video, and I've tried to tweak the video to kind of like cater to everybody. It's still new to me, it's still new to Jamie. We're still trying to film this and get our heads into the game with how to do it properly. So hopefully you enjoyed watching it. We enjoyed making it, so if it's something that you're into, give it a like. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. If not, that's cool. Just, that's cool. So 2 links to the previous videos up top. They'll be shown on some cards around here somewhere. And until next time, guys, thank you again for watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much. We're trying to hit something. So yeah, subscribe, like this video if that's something you're into, share it if it's something else that you kind of fancy doing and helping me out. That'd mean a lot to me. And until next time, guys, thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you soon. Wah!